Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be removing the Citroen C4 Picasso rear fog light. This process is the same for both sides. Now, underneath the bumper there'll be two torque screws that hold the fog light in place. I believe these are T20. Remove both the torque screws. Once the screws are removed, you'll need to push in the fog light, turn it, and then there will be a cable holding a clip that you will need to remove. With a flathead screwdriver, disconnect the cable, and then afterwards you can pull the fog light out of position, and then you will need to unplug the light. Again, with a flathead middle screwdriver, that's the part that you will need to pull up and then pull the fog light out. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.